All right, so the directions tell us to solve each absolute value equation or indicate that the equation has no solution. So when would an absolute value have a no solution? Well, what kind of numbers can absolute value not be? Well, y'all hit it earlier. You told me when we take the absolute value, what kind of answers do we always get? Positive. So if I have the absolute value of something's equal to a negative number, is that possible? No. So therefore you would have a no solution. So look at 17. How is 17 different than 15 and 16? Yeah, it's got that plus 6 there. And before we can separate it into two equations, we need to move this 6 over. Yeah, that's a plus. Sorry. So we're going to move it over by subtracting. And so we get the absolute value of x plus 2 equals negative 3. So yeah, we already know this is a no solution. And guys, you have to be careful. You have to be able to identify it, because if you try to work it out, if you set it equal to what's inside, positive and negative, and solve it, you're going to get answers. They're just not the right answers, okay?
So as soon as you see it equals it.
Yes, so as soon as you see the absolute value of something's equal to a negative number there, stop. Now, if this had been, let me give you an example here. If it had been the absolute value of x plus 2 minus 6 equals negative 3, well, you don't have the absolute value part by itself, do you? So go ahead and get it by itself before you can identify that. And then in this case, we'd have the absolute value of x plus 2 equal positive 3, which is okay, and then we'd have kept going, all right?
So is it okay to get a negative for an answer?
Yes, x can be a negative number, just your absolute value cannot equal a negative number.